Have you ever wondered how the professionals always seem to get that exact moment for a perfect photo? Well, there's actually a trick to this, and it's very simple. It's called continuous shooting. Every modern SLR camera has this, and it's called either continuous shooting or burst mode. It usually ranges from 3 shots per second up to around 10 shots per second. Open your camera's menu and select this mode for shooting difficult subjects, including children and sports shots. Shoot off around the shots and then go back through them to pick out the best images. This is a child photographer's secret weapon in getting everyone smiling in the photo.